Well, I'm Barry Stahl. I'm a solution architect and developer based in Phoenix, Arizona, USA. And you might know me as the guy who keeps a list of his favorite physicists and favorite mathematicians and puts it out on Twitter. So you should check that out and tell me where I messed it up, because no list like that is perfect, right? So yeah, favorite physicists, favorite mathematicians. That probably tells you everything you really need to know about me anyways, that I have that kind of list, right? Well, there really isn't an alternative at this point that I can see, other than writing it in JavaScript or compiling something down to JavaScript. So that was one of the things that really intrigued me about WebAssembly, and for me, Blazor, because I have these libraries that I've been building up over years. Some of them are AI libraries, others, other different types of functionality. And as long as they're compiled to the .NET standard, so in this case, Net Standard 2.0, anything that's compiled to that standard can now run in the browser using WebAssembly via Blazor. Via Blazor. So, I mean, that's just opening up all kinds of possibilities. And one of the possibilities, of course, is being able to run these AIs both on the client, right there where you can actually use it. So kind of pushing it out to the edge, and using it to push, so the CPU power, using the CPU power that's there in the browser, using that and leveraging that rather than having all the load on the server. So there's a lot of potential there. But I don't really know of a good alternative to that at this point, other than running it on the server. You'd have to use something like a TensorFlow running in JavaScript or something like that to be able to do the equivalent. But if you're going to write new stuff right now, that's what I would do. If you're writing something that's brand new and you're comfortable doing it in TensorFlow and JavaScript, that's how I would recommend going about it right now, until Blazor is released, at least. Right now also ML.NET, for example, which is our primary way of running, say, machine learning, TensorFlow-like models, that is not yet Net Standard 2.0 compatible, so it won't yet run under Blazor. I expect that to change very soon. So Blazor itself is not yet released. It's still in an early preview. When it comes out, I expect all those problems to be solved, and then the only question will be, what are you most comfortable working in? Or what is your code already written in? Oh, this has been great. I go to a lot of conferences. I have been to conferences with more people, certainly, honestly, I don't consider that anything better. I have been to conferences with some bigger named speakers, but I have never been to a conference ever, and I've been to many, where I've had so much fun. This has been a fantastic, fun experience. The town is incredible. The people here are amazing. Everyone has been tremendous. And I've just had a great time, and I really appreciate you guys inviting me here, and I really hope I can come back next year.